Welcome to Time Pass Media Weekly Box Office Updates. Nariveta, starring Tovino, Suraj and Priyamvada Krishnan. Release date May 23rd. 7 days box office collection. Kerala 9.5 crore. Rest of India 1.2 crore. Overseas 5.8 crore. Total worldwide gross 16.5 crore. Positive reviews from audience. Box office verdict: good opening. Detective Ujjalan, starring Dhyan Srinivasan and Siju Wilson. Release date May 23rd. 7 days box office collection. Kerala 3 crore. Rest of India 0.4 crore. Overseas 0.8 crore. Total worldwide gross 4.2 crore. Positive reviews from audience. Box office verdict: decent opening. Padakkalam, starring Suraj, Sharafuddin and Sandeep Pradeep. Release date May 8th. 22 days box office collection. Kerala 10.85 crore. Rest of India 1.2 crore. Overseas 3.1 crore. Total worldwide gross 15.15 crore. Positive reviews from audience. Box office verdict: hit. Prince and Family, starring Dileep, Siddiq and Dhyan Srinivasan. Release date May 9. 21 days box office collection. Kerala 15.25 crore. Rest of India 2 crore. Overseas 6 crore. Total worldwide gross 23.25 crore. Mixed reviews from audience. Box office verdict: hit. Tudarum, starring Mohanlal, Prakash Varma, Binu Pappu and Shobana. Release date April 25th. 35 days box office collection. Kerala 118.3 crore. Rest of India 20.5 crore. Overseas 93.2 crore. Total worldwide gross 232 crore. Positive reviews from audience. Box office verdict: all-time blockbuster. Please subscribe and support.